Didn't I say we'd be back? I did. Alright, so we're in the bathroom of the Dixon. Now I did have to figure out a way to mount a light because the lights aren't here, so I rigged up a light on the shower head so you could see the beautiful shower. And then I'm gonna actually take you and turn you around. That's your towel rack, and I'll just show you the rest of the bathroom here. So I'm in the shower right now looking at the toilet. That's what that looks like. And there's your beautiful sink. Just gotta take my light down so you can see it. Okay, there we go. So that's your sink. And your cabinetry there. Vanity, and that's the mirror right there. Okay, good stuff. Now, let's go back in here. This is your washer dryer area. So that's a Fantech dryer vent. The way that works is that you turn on a fan and it draws all the exhaust out. That's how it can be in an interior wall, and that's how it doesn't have to be facing downward. Alright, so coming across from the bathroom, straight across the hall, then that's where your mechanical room is. There's your Fantech fan, your furnace, and of course, your water heater. All in the closet, straight across from the hall, or straight across the hall from the bathroom. So I'll just close that up real quick. All right. So this right there is the master bedroom, and we're gonna save that one for very last. So let's come out. Here's your entrance door here. Very nice entrance door. And then we're actually going to come out here. I'm going to show you, this is what it looks like basically from the living room. So you have your thermostat, your Fantech controller, and another thing on that wall. I don't know what that would be for actually. Okay, so coming into the living room and the kitchen area. So this is right at the entrance door. If I turn to the right, turn to the left, I've got my panel, and I've got my bathroom and the master bedroom. Turn to the right, and I can see my kitchen and living room, and then another room at the back that I'll show you in a moment. So right here, this is your kitchen. So you've got, in this one, again, this is an upgraded model. So you've got different features than you would have from a base model. So this one has wood cabinets in it. It has that nice island with the nice shelves on it. As you can see there, that's your breakfast nook there. And this is granite countertops in this one. This here is your MDF cabinetry. As you can see, and soft closed drawers, very nice. And then you've got wood cabinetry up there. And this is oak. Now you can do whatever kind of cabinetry you like. If you want oak, or if you want something else, whatever you prefer. If you want maple, pine, they'll figure it out for you. Redwood, probably would be able to find it. So there you go. I don't know about redwood. I don't know anything about that, but. And then you have granite countertops, or sorry, not granite, quartz countertops over here as well. So yes, not granite countertops, or quartz countertops. And then undermount sinks, and aftermarket, or not aftermarket, upgraded features right there. Over in this corner, you have a nice Lazy Susan cabinet there. Okay. And this is like a forest green, I think is what they call it, for the interior. And there's your fridge. And of course, I'll show you the other side of the island, so you can see that as well. And you've got all drawers on the island. Great for pots and pans or whatever you want there. So now, coming to the living room, this is your feature wall here. So there you would, if you wanted a TV or something, that's where you would put it, in that wall. This is your windows in the living room. And that one is quite a lot of light. It's quite a large window. And the height, I would say, is probably like 12 feet over here, top from floor to ceiling. Might only be 10, but I'm not 100% sure on that. Then in this room you have your bunks. So this is where your kids would sleep. They have the upper and lower bunk. And along the floor, they have all these drawers. And these drawers, of course, are pretty much full depth of the bed. And soft close. So you have 3 drawers on that side, then you turn around, come to this side, and here you are. On this side you have the bunks as well, same style, same setup. I'm not 100% sure on this one if they're going to build ladders in or if that's going to be supplied later or what the plan is, but I will find out if you want me to. So now let's go all the way down to the master bedroom. Haha, here we are. So look at that light. And then we've got this cabinetry again in this master bedroom, the built-in cabinets. So I'm gonna just turn you around and show you this wall real quick. And then I'll turn you around again and show you the open cabinets. And of course you can see that nice window there. And there you are. So these ones have the rail right there. So yes, you would have to take 2 shelves out if you want to hang stuff. But you can take those 2 shelves and you can adjust these ones and you can add shelving in there to one of those ones to create more shelving. And so it's not a loss, it's just a different way of doing it. So there you are. That is that. All right, so let's go talk about specs. The Dixon is a 624 square foot unit. Now this unit comes with 2 bedrooms, technically 4 beds, but you can put 5 beds unless you put 2 singles in that, and you can probably do that too. But either way, there's got 4 built-in beds and then room for a 5th queen size bed in, or you probably could put a king, but it'd be pretty tight, in the master bedroom. So what's it made of? With the standard build, you are looking at fiberglass bat insulation, asphalt shingles. You're looking at the wall panels, interior wall panels are all going to be pre-finished wall panel. If you want to upgrade, all of this stuff is upgradable. Your flooring is going to be vinyl plank, linoleum, or carpet, depending on what you like in your home. And let's see what else is there. Your countertops, your sinks. Your countertops are going to be laminate, and your sinks are going to be stainless steel. Along with your fixtures, they're all going to be stainless steel, and that is the standard. Okay, so then all your pulls, all of your drawer pulls, and your drawer handles are all going to be stainless steel as well. And what else is there to talk about? Let's see. All your cabinets will be thermofoil on the standard level. That is the minimum standard we will do. If you want to upgrade, you can upgrade to wood, you can upgrade to MDF, or you can upgrade to whatever you like, really. We will work with you on what you want in your home. These homes are built to code of wherever they are going. So Right now, this one particular has 6-inch walls. It has fiberglass batt insulation in the walls. It has a floor that is 18-inch deep on the floor joist. And in that floor, on this particular one, we actually spray foamed it because it was, it's an upgraded home. It's a little bit more of a show model, right? So we wanted to show what the upgrade was or what upgrades were available. What is the benefit of spray foam? We're going to cover that in another video. So you will come with standard. It will be fiberglass batt insulation in the floors, the walls, and the ceiling in the attic. And this particular one has metal roofing. That is also an upgrade, right? So these are the upgrades that you can get, and I hope you're getting a picture of that. This home starts at only $180,000. So I want to tell you something. We have other floor plans as well. If you don't like this floor plan, that is okay. If you don't like the price, that's okay too. I'm not concerned. These are a premium built, high quality home, and we want to make sure that we serve you at the highest level. And so because of that, our homes are priced so that we can serve you at the highest level, okay? So the floor plans I was going to tell you about. My team actually spent over 450 hours, and I don't know if I should say this. You know, I'm going to tell you anyways. They spent over 20 grand to build, to get the equipment, to build the floor plans, to build everything they needed to get floor plans for you. So we can design and we can show you pictures and renderings and give you visual walkthroughs and everything. And all of that is available to you. And we could charge you for it, but we're not going to. It's free for you. And so if you want to, now I don't have the walkthroughs or anything like that. That is something that you will have to speak with one of our team members, and they can give you a visual walkthrough tour of the place. But I can give you the floor plans and the renderings for those floor plans, and I can send them right over to your email. I've got over 30 pages of floor plans and renderings and designs that we've already done. And here's the thing about it. You can decide if you like it. If you don't like it, change it. It's totally fine, right? So if you don't like what you've seen, let's come up with a plan you like. We are here to help you get into the home that you desire. So if you want us to reach out to you, if you want us to call you and get you more information, or if you want a visual walkthrough, there's a link down below. You can put your name and number in here, and it's tinyhomeninja.com/contact me. And you go there, you put your name and number in, and our team member will reach out to you and get you what information you're looking for. If you just want the floor plans and the renderings and the drawings, then you can get over 30 pages of those that my team put a lot of effort in and money into. You can get them all for free in the link below that says the best floor plans. Okay, so we believe that these are the best quality product on the market, and we want to provide the best quality service, and we will ship anywhere in North America and possibly the world. So thanks for watching, and make sure to check out this other video here or this video here, and if you like it, drop a comment, drop a like, and make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on any of the new builds that are coming out. There's a couple, one called the Woodland and one called now I forget the Austin. That's what it is. One called the Woodland, one called the Austin. You can see those floor plans before the video drops. You can see them. Grab that flyer in the description below. So I look forward to talking to you. I look forward to serving you. And so if you want to meet me, definitely let me know, and I will set up a time. You can come tour the factory. I'll show you around. So thank you for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.